Welcome to Toolkit.law, your legal tech command center. From the home page, click Numbers, then navigate to the Assets section. Under the Assets category, open the Financial Accounts accordion to access streamlined tools for listing and organizing financial accounts. These calculators help you track balances, ownership, and account types across checking, savings, investment, and retirement accounts. With clear, copy-ready outputs, you can easily use the results in pleadings, disclosures, or court filings. No spreadsheets required. Every tool is cloud-based and designed for fast, accurate results wherever you work. Whether you're handling probate, divorce, or corporate matters, Toolkit.law brings legal clarity to financial data. Explore the financial accounts tools today, and don't forget to check out our full productivity suites and sign up for the Toolkit.law certified user webinar to maximize your legal workflow.